Hi friends, this is a video which have been created as a part of the adult course, that is the blended and flipped approach in teaching and learning. And myself I am Rasma, and it have been mentioned in the project to choose any one of the elements. It is either Google Classroom or Canvas, with the help of which we would be handling the online classes for this semester. So I have chosen Canvas as it is the new platform for me, and I'm doing this video just as a beginner in Canvas, and I hope I will be learning more with the practice. So first of all, we have to create a course. For that I have created engineering chemistry as the course, which you can see here. That is, courses have been assigned. That is, blended and flipped approach is as a student I am participating in that, and now as a teacher I am taking the engineering chemistry course. And for that I have also created a course schedule. That is, first of all we have to create a course schedule. So these are the course schedule which have been created. That is, for the module spectroscopy we have created this course schedule. And then regarding the course, we shall move to the engineering chemistry course, and I have provided the course code as CYT 100, and in that the first module is spectroscopy. So we will be dealing with spectroscopy in these portions, which we include the UV, IR, NMR spectroscopies and their principles and applications, etc. And then next we have the MRI, which have to be studied in detail. So the first portion or the first module is about this, the spectroscopy. And then for that I have added various materials. That is, they attach this materials for reference. And regarding the announcements, we have created one announcement for the spectroscopy. Then regarding the course outcome, first of all we have to add the course outcome. So these are the course outcomes which have been added for this course. That is, as we are dealing about the UV, IR and NMR spectroscopy, so we will be having a knowledge about the spectroscopy and their applications and their principle and the instrumentation. So these are the course outcomes. Next comes the prior knowledge assessment. Here prior knowledge assessment is done using quiz. So I have created one quiz for this. So we shall open that quiz. So the quiz contains 4 questions. So it is 4 points. It is graded as based on these 4 points, and I have given the time limit to 2 minutes. And there we shall see the quiz questions. So these are the questions which have been provided, and for each question you will be having 1 point. Out of these questions, 3 are for the multiple choice question and 1 is true or false. So these are the questions, and here you can see the time running, which shows that when the beginning, that is, you have to submit the assignment within this 2 minutes. Next is the modules which has been added to this. So you can see the modules which have been added to this. Next comes the discussion. That is, we are having one discussion thread, that is the basics of spectroscopy. As this being a new portion, we have to know whether the students are aware of this. So I have just created the basics of spectroscopy as a discussion thread. Next we shall see the students. That is, we have added few students for this, and so these are the students which have been added so far. Next comes assignments. For assignments we have, as we have already shown, it include one quiz and also a group discussion, for which I have given the spectra analysis as a topic, and the group's name have been assigned as Grace, for which I have to add few more students. Next regarding rubrics, I have created one rubric with a criteria, and have been assigned 5 points for that. Then we shall see. I think that's it for this. And then I have also changed the settings for this. I have provided one nice pic for this course details. That is, I have uploaded one image for this course detail as engineering chemistry, and I have provided the course code. Okay, that's it. So the course will be beginning from September 10th. Have begin from September 10th and ends on January 8th. So these are the settings which I have done. So that's all for the present course, and I hope I will be able to learn more with more practice.